Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giants. In this video, we'll learn how to add clickable link to Instagram bio. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, open up the Instagram app on your mobile device and now go to your profile picture by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, click on the Edit Profile button located beneath your profile picture. And from here, select Add Link just below your bio. Here, if you want to add your Facebook link, then you can directly click on Add Facebook Link. If not Facebook, if you want to add some other links, then click on Add External Link. Now you can go ahead and add the link you want to include in your bio. Make sure to include the entire URL, including http:// or https:// at the beginning. Or you can just simply copy and paste the link that you want. Once you're done, click on the check mark at the upper right corner. And with this, your link should now be clickable and appear on your Instagram bio. When someone clicks on the link, they will be directed to the web page you specified. So this was the tutorial on how to add clickable link to Instagram bio. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.